Welcome back to DIY Willy. Today we're going to take a look at the mini bikes, some changes we want to do to them, take a look at the progress we've got on them, and well, we'll see where we're going in the future. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's look at Mighty. So this is my custom swing arm Mega Moto mini bike with a 212 that is built probably like a stage 3 right now. It's a powerhouse. Dual caliper brakes, adjustable rear on the arm, heim joints, adjustable coilover. Yeah, it's a pretty nice bike, and we're gonna get it out and take it for a ride here in a minute once we get done looking at it. Now I've got some more go fast goodies to go into the engine, and we're gonna step this engine up to the next level and probably make a different exhaust, and eventually we're gonna paint it and clean it up. And there's still a couple areas that I need to weld, but other than that, I mean, yeah, it's a good looking bike. It's fun to ride, it's fast. So it's got the rear dual piston caliper, and it's got oh, that's a dual piston too. Look at that, a dual piston front caliper brake. Nice big reservoirs. It's a fun bike. Now take a look. I named this one Max just because of the Max Performance 224, and yeah, it's an amazing bike as well. That engine is really powerful for the size of bike it's in. You know, we put the nice wheels on it, disc brakes, we got single piston caliper there, and we've got some more parts to do on the engine. I've got a billet rod. I'm going to remove the governor. I'll probably pick up a flywheel and probably jet the carburetor. Haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with the exhaust. And I'm going to put the red shroud back on and do some painting that needs to get done. But I mean, this is a great looking bike. Everything about it is just nice, really nice. I also have a 62 sprocket I'm going to try on it. Get rid of some of the top speed, but give me a little more takeoff. Yeah, it's a ripper, man. It's a good bike. Now, what I need to talk about is the rear brake. Now, if you know, these Mega Motos, they come with these manual operated disc brakes, and this worked fine with the 79cc. It moved it no problem. There's a 79cc still hanging out. Yeah, it stopped it no problem. Then when I did the wheels, I swapped over to a hydraulic brake, and I figured that's a big improvement over the red cable operated brake. Well, it was, but then comes along 224cc of Max Performance Fury. So now that we've gone from this to this Max Performance 224cc engine overpowers that. So we got to go to the next size. Now I have another dual piston brake, and I could put it here, but you know, another YouTuber recommended this one, and yeah, there's a considerable difference there in size. You can see that. That's a considerable difference in size. So I have no doubt that this one's gonna bring it to a stop. Even the reservoir is bigger than the reservoir up here. So with the bigger reservoir, bigger caliper, and I'm gonna go ahead, I have another rotor. I'm gonna change the rotor on it, and because this one got a little hot, a little warped, and I want it to ride nicely. So yeah, that's my little update on my mini bikes. I have lots of more work to do on them. You never finish with these types of products. There's always something more to do, and improvements to do. I might even do front brakes on the 24cc Max, you know. I may put front brakes on it. It'll be a little bit harder to do. These wheels aren't as easy to work with as the others, but it could benefit from it for sure. So yeah, that's my little update on my bikes. Hope you liked it. you got any questions, please leave it in the comments. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to end this video here with a little bit of riding. What do you say, huh? All right. Whew, man, it's a lot of fun to ride these things. One's broken, one's amazing. Yeah. So always come back and see the progress on the mini bikes. And I'll see you next time. All right, bye.